Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today I've taken apart my blue Encore mic. It was given trouble, so I think I have it fixed. I've sorted out what the problem is. So I said while I have it open, we take a look and just see what's inside it. So let's have a look. So we got condenser head here, and then we've got this little circuit board. Okay, small little circuit board with a lot of capacitors and diodes on, and that's the other side of it. Then you've got your 3-pin connector here on this side, and it's got 3 connecting wires, so it's got blue, yellow and red connecting the pins there. Okay, that's what's inside it. It's got the case here, and it's got this little plastic logo that lights up, and it's got this little ring here that goes on with the blue Encore 300, which is what this mic is. Blue Encore 300. Okay, and I got a mixing desk here, and I'm just going to test it before I put it back together. So we'll just plug in the cable. Make sure I get this the right way, because when the case is not on it, I got to line it up the proper way. Okay, so I think that's it. Now I'm going to power on the desk. And by the way, if you're doing this kind of thing, don't take these things apart unless you know what you're at, so unless you have experience. So I can see straight away I've got phantom power on here because this mic needs phantom power. I've got my levels set up. So we're on channel 2. Okay, and you can see now that 2 light diodes have come on here, which is what lights up this logo here, and that will be inside. So that will be lighting up the logo. So that means that the condenser part is working, and that's just, I'm happy enough the mic is working. So let's just see if we get any levels. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, we're getting levels. Right, I'm happy enough with that. So that's it. My microphone there and it's working. Okay, so now the job of putting it back together. Okay, so just thought I'd give you a look while I had it open on what's inside the blue Encore 300 mic.